Continuing on, C&C group break number 1350, we are on to the 1213 Superlative book. Book number 700. Alright, we've got a jersey silver, numbered 1 of 30 for the Anaheim Ducks, Corey Perry. That is disgusting. We've got an Auto Plus emblem, silver, numbered 1 of 9 for the Vancouver Canucks, Pavel Bure. Pavel Bure. 1 of 9 for the Canucks. We've got a prospect, 2-color auto jersey silver, numbered 3 of 30. This will be randomed between everybody. Ryan Kujawinski. We've got a 2-color Superlative patch silver, numbered 1 of 19 for the New York Islanders, Denny Potvin. We've got an auto and jersey silver, numbered 1 of 20 for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Jaromir Jagr. We've got a Raise to the Rafters, jersey silver, numbered 3 of 9 for the New York Islanders, Patty LaFontaine. And we finish with a quad jersey silver, numbered 3 of 9, which will be randomed between the Panthers, Leafs, Capitals, and Avalanche, Pavel Bure, Matt Sundin, Adam Oates, and Joe Sakic. Coming up next, the Cup.